Today, Traders Mindset Reset. Today we're talking about 20xing your thinking, beliefs, and trading results. As we talked about in many videos, it's always about that constant progress in every aspect of your life. I look at the whole approach because I'm a firm believer that how you do one thing is how you do everything. And that goes into your health, your relationships, your fitness, your diet, your rest, your thinking, your mental, emotional state, obviously your finances, your trading, all of those things are pillars. And if you don't empower one area of your life, as one of my mentors told me, be prepared to be disempowered. So you can focus all your energy on one thing and be disempowered in all those other areas of your life. But the Navy SEALs talk about 20x. When you come out of BUDS and SEAL camp, you're capable of doing 20 times more than you ever thought you could. And Grant Cardone talks about 10xing his business every single year. And one of the things that I emphasize to traders over and over and over again is to build your playbook. You should be able to look at days as they are evolving and tell yourself, or your trader, your accountability partner, whatever that may be, today is setting up to be a best trading day setup, if it has that pillar, the blueprint of that, or it just may be a consolidation day, it may be a trading range, maybe a trend day, but it may not be your best playbook setup. It's still tradable for a scalp, low-hanging fruit, whatever that may be. But it's so important to, with your belief system, your mentality, to grow your business. Like, we talked about this in one of the other videos. Trader asked me, is $300 a day enough? And, I can't answer any of those questions, but what I can do is say to yourself, if you're shooting for $300, you'll probably make 100 to 150. You need to 10x your thinking and figure out how you can scale your trading business, grow your trading business, and grow your results. And I emphasize by doing that by having your best trading setups. So traders talk about, you're just taking on more risk and you're trading more, all those things. And if you follow me for long enough, I take very few trades. But I'm focused on high probability / possibility setups that are going to be heavily skewed in my favor, quote unquote, stacking the odds. And I know people say, well, every trade's 50-50. Actually, that's totally incorrect. There are trades, obviously, where you need to manage your downside on every trade, but there are 5-to-1, 10-to-1 opportunities that set up over the course of the day, high a day, low a day, high a week, low a week, high a month, low a month. We haven't gone into the daily cycle a whole lot, but the same concepts apply. Consolidations at the lows and highs of months can be explosive moves, 3-4 day setups, which can go 400 or 500 pips on some of the pairs or more. So nailing down these things on the tactical side, but then also identifying what are your beliefs around money and success? What are your beliefs about you, yourself? As we recognize many people, all people carry baggage. They have self-sabotaging behaviors. Traders' minds in particular are wired for making mistakes. Everything's counterintuitive. And in order for you to grow your trading business, you need to grow. You need to grow in all areas. And that allows you to integrate, expand your awareness, shift or minimize or eliminate limiting, self-limiting beliefs. But again, retraining your brain, rewiring your thinking about what actually trading really is. It's not going to the screen going, I'm going to trade this pair, and if it's going down, I'm going to short it. And I'm looking for best trade setups, and I emphasize that over and over and over again because that's what will allow you to grow your trading business. If you don't know what a best trading setup is, if you can't see it that evolving over the course of the day, you don't have them set up yet. You're not able to identify those yet, which means you have work to do. We all have work to do. It's being a professional trader, meaning that you get your full-time income from trading, requires that you're constantly evolving like a high-performance athlete, practicing, sharpening your skill set, mental clarity, and having edge mentally, being in control of yourself, your emotional state, your impulsiveness, your irrational behavior, your recognizing when your triggers are going to happen. I talked about the big four: breathing, self-talk, visualization, micro goals. Obviously you have macro goals, but the micro goals will help you chunk down and achieve the macro goal. So as you can understand, to 10x your trading business, to 20x everything in your life, which is you're all completely capable of. You can, again, there's traders that won't get out of bed for less than $1 million a year. There's traders that want to make $150 a day. So it shows you the limits of what people's thinking are, and they can talk about skill and everything else, but the market is the same for me as it is for you, as it is for these other traders. It's the same market, but they're going to take out $1 million, and other people are going to try and make 150 over the course of the year. So scale up your thinking about yourself. Scale up your thinking about your abilities. Figure out what you need to do to grow your trading business. Identify what a best trading setup is for you, where your niche is, where you can have 5 to 1, 10 to 1, even 3 to 1. If you're hitting 3 to 1, you can be wrong 30% of the time and still grow your trading business. But you get 5 to 1, 10 to 1, and there are opportunities that are scalable in terms of adding size into those trades, and then cutting out all the other garbage that is just like, hey, I think it's going this way, I'm going to get in. That's a 50-50, low priority, low risk reward, low return probability, and over the course of time, probably a losing quest. So 20x your thinking about yourself, about your skills, about your tactics, your execution, your health, relationships, finances, trading, everything, and 10x your trading business starting today. Next week's going to be your best week ever. It starts now. Have a great day, traders, and may the markets go with you.